So when the instructions tell you to increase, what do they mean? They mean that in the same loop, you have to put 2 stitches. So let's say I have 6 loops here, but I need to make them 12. So what I need to do is, I'm going to demonstrate single stitches. You go in and you take 1 stitch into that first loop, and in the same loop, you put in the 2nd stitch. Okay? So now you have 2 stitches into the same loop. Now to increase the next loop, you go through the next loop, you grab the thread, you pull it through, so that's your 1 stitch. And in the same loop, you grab and you pull it through. So into the 3rd loop, this one is not nice one. Okay, so you go through, you grab the thread, you pull it through. And in the same loop, you can see it there, you go through the same loop, grab the thread, you pull it through. Okay,